Okay, still up here on this first International Farm All 140. Today is April 5th, Sunday. Been up here 2 or 3 hours so far. Look down here, you can see a gasket. Remember that. So let's see what we got. Switch on. Start right up on low idle. A little bit of throttle. Reverse. Third. Fourth. Second. Get her on the lane. Alright. From second. First. First to second. Second to third. Fourth. Man, that's just about to giddy up here. That's about 10 miles an hour. And I got about, I'll say about 10 inches in that steering gearbox. We'll go just a little ways. Alright, that's good enough to show you all fourth works. Fourth. Second. Up, reverse. Second. First. Anyway, got it working. Still waiting on my used spare one to come in. Neutral. True neutral. Switch off. Alright, this thing about drove me nuts for 3 hours today. If you'll remember, when I first opened it up on video 1 or 2, there was no gasket. Just old silicone. Well, tried going back after I did all the welding and such on my shifters, and it would hang up in third and I couldn't ever get it out. Well, son of a gun. So lift the cover up just a little bit, popped right out of third. Gasket apparently is required for clearance on the shifting ports. So got it going through all the gears, running real good. Still got to grease it, put the cultivators back on, and I think she's good to go. That's all for this one. Thank you.